Hey friends, welcome to my channel with a new video. Friends, I have a many colorful of toys here. See, all are nice and beautiful. So I will hand drive all of this toy with my hand. At first is V2 racing car. So let's go. Wow, friends, I reached my parking place, so I parked here. This V2 racing car. See this color? This one is yellow color, orange color, and white color combination. And next one is a high speed bike R17. Wow, so let's go. Wow, friends, I parked here beside this big racing car. See this color? This one is yellow and black color combination R17 bike. And next one is a police car. See, this one is very nice color combination police car. Wow, friends, I parked here beside this R17 high-speed bike. See this police car? This one is black and white color combination police car. And next one is the ambulance. See, this one is emergency vehicle ambulance. So I will try this one also. Wow, friends, I reached my parking place, so I parked here this ambulance. See this color? This one is pink color, white color, and paste color combination. This ambulance. And next one is double decker Benton bus. Wow, so let's go. Wow, friends, I reached my parking place, so I parked here this double decker bus. See this one? This one is very nice and colorful. This one is pink color combination also. And next one is a Spider-Man double decker bus. So let's go. Wow, friends, I reached my parking place, so I parked here this Benton bus. This one is very nice and colorful. See this color? This one is pink color and black color combination also. And next one is a under construction vehicle mixer machine. Wow, friends, I reached my parking place, so I parked here this under construction vehicle mixer machine. This one is white, red, and black color combination also. This one is Victoria's Army tanker, so let's go. Wow, friends, I parked here beside this under construction vehicle mixer truck. See this one? This one is black color, yellow color, and green color combination also. And here is the last one is Spider-Man car. See, this one is very big size Spider-Man car. So I will try this one also. Let's go. Wow, friends, I parked here beside this army tanker. See this one is black and yellow color combination also, and there is black and white color combination wheel. So friends, all of my vehicles are parked here. See, wow, So I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many colorful